All right, so we've got three problems and just naming the type. We'll go through and do the type first. So our first one, we have 1, 2, 3 terms. So 3 terms means it is a trinomial. I'm just going to put tri in there. I don't think I can fit the whole word. Okay, so then we'll go to the next one. Again, we have 1, 2, 3 terms. Nothing combines, nothing simplifies. So 3 terms makes it a trinomial. And then we have the last one, just one term. So because it's one term, monomial. All right, so now because we've identified what type it is, we can identify the degree. Monomials, remember, for monomials and for monomials only, we want to add the powers that are on the variables. So we have a x to the 5th and a y to the 4th. 5 plus 4 makes this a degree 9. All right, so when we have anything else, polynomials, trinomials, binomials, we're going to look at each term. The highest degree is going to be the degree of the whole thing. Okay, so first term, degree 3. Second, degree 4. Third term, degree 7. That's the highest power. That's the highest degree. So the whole thing has a degree of 7. And back to number 1. The first term has a power of 4. That's the highest power. That's the highest degree. And that is going to be the degree of the whole thing. All right, so the last thing we have to do is the leading coefficient. Now, the leading coefficient, once you have your problems in standard form or descending order, the leading coefficient is easy to identify. It's just the number that's in front of the first term. Now, number 1, that is descending order. That is standard form. Our leading coefficient is 8. Number 2, we want to think about the standard form of that. And I'm just going to write it down here at the bottom. The highest power goes first. So the term negative 12 x to the 7th, that will be our first. Then we'll have 9 x to the 4th. And our last term in descending order would be 12x cubed. So now we can identify the leading coefficient as the coefficient of the first term, negative 12. And the last one, no real issues here, it's just one term. And the number in front, or the coefficient, is 9. So that's the leading coefficient. All right, thank you.